Okay, a short clip. There's a solar array, 3 100-watt flex panels in array. We're in series. Cord coming off them. So it plugs in and charges the battery. Or the sun's not up, or if you're close to whatever, say a hydroelectric grid or a solar grid, you can use a wall charger, AC, and charge your battery. You could even use other batteries to top it in. And there, the junction, little black box there. Use that to charge up electronics, radios, cell phones, tablets, computers, 5 volt. There's dual plugs, 1 amp, 2 amp. As you can see, it goes through the watt meter into the extended cord. That's how you can charge cordless tools. Just jack right in a positive negative post. Make sure you got the polarity right and plug her in. It takes about 15 minutes to charge on a sunny day. Same, you want to cook food, boil water, want to wash stuff, your clothes, yourself, boil the water up. And that's the simple system of how I run the Solarized It. All the components are easily replaceable if they break down. But now when you can power tools like that, you can build anything, anywhere. So, why we fixated on carbon? And omnicided of poor kids by anthropogenic global warming. And you're looking at a whole new industry, a light-based economy.